prepare your car for roadworthy. I've got my new auction car here, and it's going to go down for a roadworthy. Now there is a lot you can do beforehand. Obviously it's all a bit about, you don't know what's going to happen when it goes down, but there is some things you can do. Really obvious things, such as just check all the globes, do the blinker globes work, and get that checked to get that right. The reversing light globes work. Probably you need 2 people to do these, but make sure that both reversing lights come on. If you've got an extra brake light up the top, make sure it's coming on. All those little things that you can go through to check. So blinkers, reversing lights, tail lights, all the globes have got to be done. They're the sort of things you can switch out and do yourself. Check your tyres. Is there good tread on all of the tyres? And if they need to be changed, you've got a couple that need to be changed, then do it before you send it down. It'll save that automatic going in for the second check. Make sure your tyres are pumped up. The other one, the reason the ramps are here under the front of this is because you need to not have oil leaks and oil showing under the car. Now this one has got some oil. You know, it's 10 years old, so that's not too much of a worry, but I need to clean that up before it goes in for the roadworthy, otherwise it'll fail for sure. So I'm going to take the engine cover off underneath here and drop it down, and then clean any oil that I can see. I'll look for leaks. If there's anything I can tighten up or anything like that, I'll repair that. I'll clean off the cover to get oil off it. Very simple, just doing it with degreaser. I've got other videos. I'll find something. I'll put a link up here to other videos where I've done that sort of work. So drop that cover off, clean it up, clean the engine itself off, get all that oil out of the way. Check all the nuts under there, like there's nuts on the sump bolt and things like that. Just nib, make sure they're all tight. Make sure there's no oil leaks. Do everything you can in that way, or maybe even from the top. See if there's anywhere where there's any oil leaking. So definitely to be done beforehand. Lights again here, and then going inside the car, you need to check, you know, what's going on in here. Are all of the controls working? Your blinkers, and all of those sorts of things. If the blinker stalks need to be replaced or whatever. But just go through, do all of the obvious things. I don't recommend sending it down and having a great big long list of things it fails for, but do what you can, present it, and hopefully you'll get that past the right time. The bonnet has to open first time and clearly when you hit the bonnet. The seats have got to be adjustable, all sorts of stuff for a roadworthy. Sun visors not falling down, seats not torn even. Now of course this is different. In lots of different countries you'll get lots of different things, but I've had to do this before, and it was just a matter of putting seat covers on. With torn seats, they just had to be repaired, and then put seat covers on, and then it passed without a problem. So all those sorts of things to be looked at, taken into consideration, and do as much as you can, and then send it down.